Hi everyone. Continuing my previous chapter, today too I am going to deal with the articles, but today I shall be dealing with the difference between the, it's the difference between the pronunciation of the. That is, sometimes we pronounce it as the and sometimes we pronounce it as the. Where lies the difference? Before coming to the point, let us understand the difference between a consonant sound and a vowel sound. You all might be well aware of these two differences, the difference between consonant and vowel sound. The vowel sounds are a, e, o, u or a. In writing, we write in this way: a, e, o, and what we pronounce as u, it is actual pronunciation is a and or u. When it is pronounced as u, u is not at all a vowel. That I had dealt in my previous class. So these are 5 vowels: a, e, o, and u or a, and rest out of 26 letters, rest are consonant sounds: b, k, g, d, h, like that. Now, the, th, when it is pronounced as the, when do we pronounce so? We pronounce the before a common noun when we talk about any particular object or before a word that begins with a consonant sound. That means we use the before a consonant sound and or whenever we pronounce it is a particular, when we talk about any particular object beginning with a consonant sound. For example, I may say, I saw the child talking to a stranger. I found a temporary solution to the problem. This is the car I like most. This is the boy who stood first in the class. In all these sentences, the is being used because the word which is after this the begins with a consonant sound. And sometimes it is being repeated, talked of beforehand also. This is the boy who stood first in the class. I am talking of that particular boy. Here I am particularizing, specifying, pointing out the boy from the list of a group of the boys, that this is the boy who stood first in the class. Here one thing is to be marked. The is a definite article, whereas the, when we spell it as THEE, the, that is an archaic word. This was used in Old English. I may say this is used in Old English, and that is in Shakespearean period. THEE, the, was used by Shakespeare, which meant you, that is second person, you. When we mean you, THEE, it means you. This is archaic word. For example, I beseech thee to grant mercy. I beseech thee, thee, to grant mercy. Now, coming to the second one, thee, pronounced as thee. A word starting with a vowel sound, before that we use the. In simpler term, we may say we use the before a word starting with a vowel sound. For example, that was the end of the function. The end. This is the insect I am scared most. The entire world speaks English. The English teacher, the aeroplane, etc. Secondly, we use the before a word which we want to emphasize. I met the queen last year. I met the queen. That means here I am emphasizing the queen. The principal, the principal. It is pronounced as the because principal is being emphasized here. So, to conclude my points, we use the before a word which begins with a consonant sound and the before a word which begins with a vowel sound. And secondly, when we emphasize something, when we emphasize a noun, at that time we use the. Thank you.